What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys, my people. It's a bag of foolishness I go up on TikTok right now. Be a war, TikTok liar, everybody a war. Everybody, we say, everybody, Dyema, Rosealee, yo, everybody. Seeing? I'm gonna share with Dyema if you say, you know what I mean? You're a sky diamond in the war too. Shay, you see me, I say, a bunch of people, my people, you see me? So, me have other things to share, same way, but me I go run through the intro because I'm on a fast move right now, so me I go talk less, so me could get right tonight, my people.
Pan woman for. You go on. I so fix your blood clot. You go on. Cause come like you remember say you file the right you so. Come like if you got say you file the right you so. And then the body can't find you. You come about your threat no blood clad people. But kupa you to know about your send threat. Kupa you. Fuck with the woman you see. Me say I and Kimbell address I go out there on the social media put out. Watch me your suck woman.
I never trouble this woman yet. Me never trouble this woman, you know. Me never trouble this woman. The woman not talk every time the woman not box for me. I mean never trouble this blood clot woman yet. The woman I rose across yesterday, the woman come call me bitch. True Rose your text said man, the woman know who is the one who do bitch. Woman I call me bitch. I'm not trouble this woman. Me not trouble this woman. Every day this woman trouble me. You know how long this woman trouble me, I ignore her.
I can't see if I can listen to your blood clot. Cause me want to hear what you say. Come here, go see if you're not allowed the woman alone.
You're dirty, you're not.
Come like a be a black, she black out my blood clot. Chat. Me a try look at the woman black out my pussy hole. She black out my bumble blood clot. Like she look for all of my page and get rid of me. I mean not a fake page, you know. One of my page have my name. Me not a fake page. So me no know if I find her, me dear. Woman black out blood clot me. Me dear. I can't find the lady. It's hard. Somebody please to share the live to me make us see. Trot appear black. Can't find her trot. Make us see if I can use Queenie page. My dear. Me no want to thinking sky. What was send me over sky? I'm this year, you know. What the fuck you send me over sky for? Me want listen thinking sky. What you send me over sky for? Me a sky a friend? Fuck you send me over Grinch live for? For go listen blood clot liar. So, Lisa, play it now. Me can't find woman get rid of me.
Play girl want rid me.
Today. Right place today. As me get them a screen recording, they watch me you today. As I get them the screen recording there, watch me you today. Watch me you today. So do your big one right now.
Watch me and you today.
One right now. Me have one of Rose already, you know. So you do your big one right now.
Watch me and you today.
You
do your big one.
I'm gonna teach you a blood clot lesson.
I'm going to teach you a blood clot lesson.
What
to leave people alone. I bet you put out your address of your blood clot social on the internet.
Do your big one right now.
Do your big one.
No,
your blood clot see.
Who see her? Like she thinks that nobody afraid of her. Like who see her, bitch? Me see her?
You think nobody over here afraid of you?
No, man.
Alright, bitch.
Do your big one right now.
Do your big one. Can the whole of the internet and get your social today?
Wickedness. Do your big one right now, bitch.
Do your big one.
Do your big one right now.
Do your blood clot big one. Because who the man the scammer them over here who can get your blood clot social make them work on it. Do your big one.
What them to send you? What them to send you? What the Batman them to send you? What the Batman and the hog to send you? The
You
Batman
so blood clot no. Leave the blood clot people them alone. Cause your address and your social going out. I'm going to fix your blood clot today.
props. If you take your turn props, you see your props then turn you now.
Well, you try and know what them are turn you in at today. At today you know where you are turning now.
You idiot girl. You know see your props then take your turn. Then put you as a placeholder. Because then she say you idiot and you're desperate. The Batman draft.
Say, that girl a torment, you see? Who this more bluff? Go suck your mama. Me never bluff yet. Ask the people in the comment section how me get the whole our business. Ask them all our credit card information me get. Me can't bluff so good. Ask the people in the comments. Make them tell you how me get everything.
That's the note. Yeah.
Not a fucking bluff. Me no bluff pussy hole. You don't know me. You don't know me. Make them tell you in the comments how me put out the whole our credit card information. Everything what she take out. Una idiot. Hey, move no man. But bluff. Bluff your blood clot.
She enough. So you want to teach her a lesson. She fucking enough.
We're going to teach you a lesson.
She want to be a poster boy. She want to get taught a lesson. 12 today we are going to fucking teach her a lesson.
When you are going to get a lesson. Me I tell you say you are going to get one.
The right day, Friday.
The right blood clot day of... Make a go for your paper then.
That's my proof.
The right day for true.
That is my proof. Yeah, man, make sure make Bigfoot. Make sure make Bigfoot put her in a problem. Make sure make Bigfoot put her in a problem. Make sure make her put her in a problem.
Give me the address. Give me everything. Man, make put out it blood clot, you know.
No want her put her in a problem.
My people, tell me what you think about TikTok liar. Is she getting from bad to worse, you know? You know what I mean? She a go too far or what? Because, yo, you see when a person love get trouble, it tell two things about them, you know. It's either this person miserable, lonely, because them say misery love company, so them want to bring down other people feel mess up like them and a way other person are just bad. You know what I mean? I'm full of bucketive and links and something. And I just want somebody try them to mash them down. Seeing two things it's when somebody love get trouble them type of way. Yeah. Seeing, make me know what to think my people.
I want her to
send me every blood clot thing. Make them pop up our blood. Me have our address now. Send me every blood clot. Me don't need no moderator. Nobody not say nothing bad.
Alright,
no need no moderator.
Right person, this is your idiot. Girl, you just saw me and girl, when they saw me, I make put you in a problem. Make she go, make
fling out the blood clots. Let me show how bad me is.
You are dealing with the right person too. Make her go for your blood clot paper.
Conversation. That's where it come like.
Send me everything. Me fling out the blood clot.
Set up.
Send me them, make fling it out, guys. We have put it out.
You realize you have put her in a problem.
Wanna go check up on her? Check up on her.
So she make tell herself to go on.
Try the woman that you see.
All day.
Try the woman.
Tell herself to go on. I screen recording me I wait pan. Tell herself to go on. I screen recording me I wait pan.
You not get no screen record. What you have to do, I do what you have to do.
Man, tell her to over there. Tell me put out everything today. Tell her to make Big Put tell her everything.
Right. Everything me a gear.
You want? I right place in the bridge, Brooklyn.
I right place you there.
Place you there. So you want to join it? We go join it.
Everything me a gear.
Me a play with you know.
Hold on, this way name there. That one you know Lioness on TikTok? The street record page.
Yeah.
This a fear file.
Here we are.
Lioness.
I did
Yeah.
I van the gifter.
Right.
Mighty God.
Angela she name. Angela. That a lioness. Alright. This
This
a
so nervous
football.
as fuck.
The right place in the whore. Pedophile at the right place today. Watch me and you today. Watch me and you today.
This
So you-
a buck. This a buck one. Buck.
I tell you
Can't see the address there in I comment.
a problem. Me can't catch she, but me will catch you because you're Brooklyn, bitch. You're there, Brooklyn. Remember that. I know exactly where you're there tomorrow.
You type your
You
address in the
want.
comment.
Yeah, tonight comment. This a buck. See buck one your chat.
I mean, no, say, the Bigfoot girl, I go run over there. So go and talk, man.
Me supposed to no blood clot because me go give them your information.
You're not fall for it.
Chat
See our
see
address,
buck here,
yeah.
me find buck. See buck here chat me I go through me find
Only a
this a
buck.
buck. You know buck.
Wait, man.
The Batman are always in our box to live in Atlanta.
Well, you want from Guyana?
Yeah, a buck, this a buck.
A
This
team?
name Arwin Prass.
Me have
This a buck, Buckley for Atlanta.
The liar address there, guys. Let me type in the comment section there.
tell them they're
That's a liar address.
Liar, wait me and look for your social.
Stay outside.
Me a look, liar. Me a look for your social. Me my write as I say social security number. Me have buck social security number too. Wait, me put this right here so.
Learn to see people business and stay outside. When your name call, you answer. Your name don't call.
Go suck your mother, you love
Are you trouble the blood clot,
Where you man
man?
Rosealee hacking business for the same thing, big pussy girl.
And the same thing you do big pussy woman. Are you trouble Dyema? Dyema never trouble you.
See your address there. Let me find the apartment agency now. It's an apartment. Let me look for the apartment. Guys, we're going to call on your apartment agent right now.
That to find her.
We're going to call on the apartment agency for her right now.
Mind your fucking business till I reach my yard, idiot girl. And I say you're idiot.
That to find liar.
Brian things when them they are Jamaica and them they halfway around the world. They make people
That
drunk.
to find liar. We find liar.
You want to call it for me, babe?
Girl.
To the address, yeah. So she live there.
Right now the part
To the house, yeah, guys. To the house, yeah, in Brooklyn, she there.
You.
When you go, throw a pure shit on the wall. See it, yeah.
Yeah, she come figure event for visa. She did tell them at the embassy
road,
that
yeah.
event she did come for visa. She did go to the embassy go tell them that. She never tell them.
Somebody know I go
Liar,
throw shit on the wall, guys. Go throw shit on the
Liar
wall.
come like she want play dirty. Liar you want play dirty?
Can't play dirt.
Go throw shit on the wall.
What?
But the woman send them at the Hyundai
Chat.
park. The Savannah.
Mama want to do something for me. Ask liar if she want play dirty. Cause we ready for play dirty. We want to play
You no
one
matter
game
she want
play
play
like
dirty or
out to
dirty she
Friday.
a get.
Liar want to play dirty?
Guys, throw shit on the wall, please. The girl who know her send a penny them money go throw shit on the
Today?
wall.
Alright, we'll play dirty.
Yeah. We'll find the apartment agency.
We'll play dirty.
Thanks for the pick up the whole of them. I'm gonna listen to the news, idiot girl them. As a kind of dunce. Mind your business. My people in country, mind your business.
We'll play dirty. Alright, chat, we'll play dirty. Come play dirty with her and so. You ready?
Him alone me save them. But me no forget she. Him alone me save. I don't care. Me a call upon she. Tell her to leave me alone. Me never see her.
Come,
How about
chat,
you so
we'll play
nervous?
dirty. We'll play dirty, liar. Wait.
You make them put battery in your back. You make them put battery in your fucking back to come over here. Nobody did see you. Rosalie don't even like you. Rosalie don't even like you. Today, I don't know if me a fucking stay. You dirty drunk crow. That's all I can talk about. Blind. You're so dumb. You're so fucking dumb. Blind. Like, bitch, that can't hurt me. Because when a true can't hurt. No stupid. I'm going to have to laugh after on a dummy. For sure, on a dumb over here. For sure, one dumb set of bitches. One dumb set.
Everybody.
It is Brooklyn, girl. What are you telling me about? See there? 1-1. A Brooklyn. See there? Where you tell me, say that's Brooklyn. You know, look good. See there? It's Brooklyn. Brooklyn, New York. That's Brooklyn, darling.
All right, you see whatever you want to say. Nobody never see you.
Guys, got throw shit on the wall.
Now you're bad.
Right around the corner, family. So, girl, where you do walk on, they go throw some shit on the wall now, no? Okay, if I'm going to throw some, I send a pin if you pass or somebody pass, go throw shit on the wall.
Stone all the doors.
Stone all the door. With tied hair.
Nobody can stone the door. Nobody can walk past and fling some stone on the door.
Black hog go at it. The hog don't even like you. The hog don't even like you. The hog don't even. Today we don't find out if me can walk. Today we will find out if me can walk.
That means say, oh, Shay, which address you are right? Because them say the address they are no Brooklyn. The one you this one you right.
My people, as me say, me not talk too much, you know what I mean? So make me know what to think, make me watch some more.
Which one?
Party again, Maria. Somebody screenshot.
Which one?
The person when they Maria Nunes. Screenshot the person.
Destiny. These people don't know where Liar live. I have Liar records. Liar live at 40 Elder Lane, first floor, Brooklyn, New York.
One of the same building that me a show,
Don't
girl.
follow
Remember
the
somebody
comment
get...
section. If I have it right,
What is
just
your
upon
comment,
paper,
girl?
they
Is
don't
your
know
comment
anything.
who type? Girl, your comment type it.
My comment can't type that because my other address right here, so.
Yeah, them never have a long time. Remember me still have it on my WhatsApp, you know.
Our address them right here. This is Brooklyn.
PROC.
Elder Lane, Brooklyn, New York. Zip code 11208.
Yeah, see it and writing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me have it on my WhatsApp right now. Let me see.
Paper them right here, so.
You think you're a bully? Bully who? No, they're not bully nobody.
Paper is right here.
No black them man, tell them to come. Tell all of them to come. Because she get the blame for that. Anybody them want to send, tell all of them to come. Because she.
Hold this. Look like a book.
Want to do everything. Because that she.
A book this, Georgia.
Morning.
Yeah, Georgia, it's a book.
Continue to set up ourselves. Continue to set up ourselves.
Destiny, that is Brooklyn, my cousin. Is in the neighbor. Tell your cousin got to watch on shit on the wall. Pass and fling. Are you go there just pass and say, lawyer, come out. No one wanna go there go call out her. One of the bad bitch in my Brooklyn. Just then after she just go there and say, lawyer, come out. I do not find that Destiny. I work where I work.
I don't give a fuck about nobody. I give a fuck about myself. I don't give a fuck about who I got the fish fry from who not got the fish fry. Fuck them. I care about my fucking self.
You can't go in a wheelchair drunk. You can't push a wheelchair dark shit.
Care about who the fuck care about you know. No fuck off and go away.
Also, I'm like England girl, because the American girl, I'm an idiot, blood clot girl. Because right now, the England girl, I'm that pop on liar.
Fuck.
American girl, I'm an idiot.
You make people come up in your life and tell you stupidness. You want to come run out from me. Where from you, sir? Yeah, Maria, make you keep talking. Because I'll get blamed for what you do.
But up here, enemy, I got the fish fight. I got my shop.
Man.
Your enemy.
Dirty bitch.
I used to come pick up the whole of them.
No,
I
man,
want
I
to
have to
pick
come.
up everyone and deport. Pure enemy, I go there. Pure enemy. I worst fish fry. I worst people. I play by invite our fish fry.
Whole lot of uno come. Cause you I shall get the blame. The whole lot of part of uno come.
Are you trouble the woman? The woman can't get no blame. Are you trouble her? Yeah, but the whole of no come. Afraid you afraid? Afraid your blood clot afraid?
The whole of them are gonna fight. Everybody are gonna fight. If they come mash up, I'm want I scrape up all of them and deport them. I pray.
Afraid you afraid? Yeah, they pan the whole of no come. The whole of no come. Afraid you afraid? The whole of no come cause she gonna get the blame. Are you trouble the blood clot woman so she not get no blame?
I want Dyema fans them beat up our blood clot tomorrow.
So you continue, bitch. Are you over there for your life? I instigate everything. Remember my life pre-recorded, you know. So all of them people that were coming on my chat, me a carry go show them. Remember my life.
I have trouble the people I want run go to ISA immigration. Who don't see that girl on the internet, man?
I'm alive.
No, man. Get over here.
Do not say that this is a fucking America.
A visa Dyema have. Where I used to go
So
do.
me for tell
Dyema
me
the city
say,
asylum.
the whole of the girl on TikTok. Who the trouble everybody talk the worst about people. Bring down people and all of run go police station, immigration, ICE.
So me can show them where you send the
Me
people.
not understand. Who not bully?
Yeah.
How the blood clot this? Woman says she carry the whole of the record them got the blood clot place. My dear.
We are sending.
But me never know so una police Peggy and immigration Peggy and I expect me never know so on stay. Me think could just fight to the buckle on the internet and so.
No type of
So they want to know some media bad girl over here. We don't like police.
On the side.
We don't like immigration and
Hey, my people, it look like say TikTok liar just miserable. I want to bring down people and make them miserable like she. Cause at the end of the day, here she talk about she go care whatever go get the officer them and ray. But whenever she bring down people, you know what I mean, she bring them down. You understand? I don't care what she say. So, wanna tell me if she a play a unfair game because at the end of the day, you dish it out, you're supposed to can take it. You know what me I say? But let me know one thing. Make watch some more.
ice.
No, man.
A visa Dyema the
I think so the whole of you over here did bad. But you not idiot man. Not
All
clown.
of Dyema stick and sell them a foreign.
Not clown man.
Follow up that page of Team Destiny. What one is some?
Well on there. I'm gonna talk to the people them from America. So the people them from America now.
Morning, sis.
She did file one. Not she. I think the landlord did find some. What is it? Said notice to the tenant of application of the New York State good cause eviction law.
Exactly what she's
So me realize that she did file some things against the landlord. Our landlord filed something against her.
Can't send everybody.
But he look like say he can't get eviction or so.
Can't kill over there.
I must have filed some what's that my name? Squats rights. I sign name chat.
A long time you wait for this a moment to get to know
I
more.
sign name.
So you can't take the fall.
My name. Squatters rights. Yes, she find some squatters rights. Yes, them they right yes so.
Wake up this man and make it one screen.
I can take a picture so I can send it. Wait. I'm why you call immigration for me.
Calling me, my head chip yesterday, no. When the dirty calling me, my head chip yesterday, no.
Why you send immigration for me?
No, I don't know. You see, when you tell me some can't manage me, that I stay far from it and we keep on doing this thing in silence. And you know, burn them to show they don't know what we are doing.
Exactly. Nobody have to come and tell them.
Who that Shay?
I don't know it's who that.
This.
Repeat again.
What are we come?
What them I do? We don't understand.
But true, me see it pan yesterday, me just jump and say, you have to pay them no man. People are going to talk.
Me not pay them, me not listen. Me not play with them. I'm gonna show them.
You can't do a shit. Nobody no afraid of you. Move. Who that Peter gay?
Yeah.
Me dear.
A Peter gay?
Them say a Peter gay in your box, me dear.
But I want different vibes that.
Peter gay up here. Whoa! Peter gay, where were you all this time?
I have this young lady on TikTok. She threatening me. I'm putting up my address right now. She's in Brooklyn.
So you're being threatened.
Yes, I'm being threatened.
Yeah.
Then I put out her address.
What? You can't tell a lie on the woman. Go show a screen record. You fucking idiot, boy. You're afraid.
Yes. And
What?
she's a visitor to this country.
She's a visitor to this country. She's a visitor to this country. She threatened me and put on
Make
my
sure you have the
address.
screen record to send them. I saw she wicked.
Wicked. Make sure you have the screen record. Coward, dirty liar. You fucker, you. You coward bitch, you.
Right now as we speak, I'm on my live.
You coward. When you repeat the address in the comment section, move your blood clot. Have a proof that Dyema put out your address. And me if you tell them say I do it.
Me.
When you record her and tell them lie there. Move your blood clot. When you record her and tell her lie them. Cause the woman gone a mall. Record her.
You big girl war with me.
Why you afraid for call me? Report me. Why you report Dyema for me do it? It's me do it. So why you reporting Dyema? I did it. I did it.
Alright, thank you so much. Bye. Just give me a play with you now. We are go right back. We are go right back. Everything we Shay do. And you are get blamed for it today. You wait.
You can't blame her feet a blood clot. And me you fi blame.
When Shay do, and you are get blamed for
And me you fi blame. Me.
Me your ass today.
Me forget the blame. Why you want to blame her? Blame me. Only for record her. Me telling you so for record her. Sit down and record her. She will say something again.
A long time this little empty crutches girl want to be seen. So this is what we do. When you're too enough, you're too blood clot enough before you go slow and brush out your teeth. Look how early you get up. Look how early you get up. Your throat back, your tongue supposed to stink. Remember, you know.
Who that, Lisa?
I don't know.
You do the things them, you know. No body, you know.
What's your name?
No.
Two blood
You're
clots.
too enough.
What's your name?
Two blood clots.
But who she
Oh, she not
attack?
on a face. She not on a face, so we can't see she.
Look how early before you go inside, you not even know if you act decent. You can't go now you act decent, dirty girl.
I don't even know who that. She not know what name there.
Remember saying you don't know if you act like a lady, so this not surprise me.
She not so like she have no face. Cause Lisa says smelly name. Lisa, show the life to me then I'm a page. Let me see if I can find it.
Blood clot bag where you come with. You would have got to go outside to enough. The big
How she
thing
attack?
The Dyema Shay talk.
Be a waste man fuck on
You
man.
go take down her. Guys.
How that?
Una no body. In fact, you them man nobody. You live out your days in a dance hall or nothing. Crazy.
Who you? She have a face?
No.
Live out your days in a dance hall and nothing, boy. You're ready to come pan for because you can't click on the phone and come show. Me not have time for that, my love.
Lisa, send me the live. Let me see her who now.
Oh, me fi send you the live and me dey on this a page here. And me burn a page me over there with.
Me can't find TikTok liar. She block me off of every page. What's your name? What's your name?
Oh no.
TikTok liar 85.
TikTok liar just block you.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think. We are going to move on to the next channel.
You run
You
out.
block the whole of my page, then me can't find her. Me I go on Queenie page.
Nobody never see you. Or which door you walk through? The door where they drop down upon you upon the live? Which door you walk through? You're enough. You know, say that in America, you don't mind your fucking business. You know, see you mind your fucking business till you reach back your yard, idiot girl. And this is say you're idiot. This is say you're idiot girl. You make people draw you in things when them they are Jamaica and them they halfway around the world. You make people draw you in things, dirty girl. And I say you're idiot. You know, say you're idiot girl. Make people draw you in things. Right now, you're on my turf. You make people draw you in things. Me can't catch them now, you know, but me catch you. Yes, so supposed to work on a visa. Yeah, she come figure event on visa. She did tell them at the embassy say event. She did come figure on her visa. She did go to the embassy go tell them that. She never tell them that when she come through. She did tell them that when she come through. Yeah, we can't play fucking dirty over this bitch. We can't play dirty over this bitch. Remember the woman send them at the Hyundai plant in a savannah where the whole of them panic visa done their work. Where immigration will pick up the whole rest of them done there. You know, listen to the news, idiot. What you know, listen to the news. You know, listen to the news, idiot. When the white woman call and tell them say one whole heap of immigrants they done there. At the high on the plant in a savannah work and the ice go they go pick up all of them. You know, listen to the news, idiot girl them. As a kind of dunce. Mind your business. You come like people in country. Mind your business. Mind your business. Ross, my dear, him alone we save them. But me no forget she. Him alone we save. I don't care. Me a call upon she. Tell her to leave me alone. Me never see her. Me never fucking see her. I never fucking see this bitch. You make them put battery in your back. You make them put battery in your fucking back. If you come over here. Nobody did see you. Rosealee don't even like you. Rosealee don't even like you. Today, you don't know if me a fucking see. You dirty drunk crow. That's all you can talk about. Blind. You're not so dumb. You're not so fucking dumb. Blind. Like, bitch, that can't hurt me. Because when a true can't hurt. No stupid. I'm going to still laugh after on a dummy. For sure, you're not dumb over here. For sure, you're saying one dumb set of bitches. One dumb set of bitches. The fuck? Me say I screen recording me a wait pan. Tea time tell me when you post us. Anyway, me the highlights I go post the whole light. I screen recording me a wait pan your bitch. Me and you today. Me and you today. Leave me the fuck alone. Me did come and talk about you. You have all right to say whatever you want to say. Nobody never see you. Nobody never see you. But you make them put battery in your back and you come out like you're big and you're bad. Dirty girl. You know, see, you're idiot. You know, see, you're idiot. Nobody never fucking see you. You look a pedophile. Nobody never see you. You like the black hog go at it. The hog don't even like you. The hog don't even like you. The hog don't even. Today we don't find out if me can walk. Today we will find out if me can walk. Dirty girl. You know we find out who can walk and who can sit today. We go find out. Drive past you again, Maria. Somebody screenshot that. Screenshot that person when name Maria Nunes. Screenshot that person. You want to be a part of it too? You get part of it too. Somebody screenshot that. Screenshot that there for me. By this one. I send it to me. You know everybody want to be a part of it. You're not going to be a part of it. You don't want to be a part of it. Everybody are going to be a part of it. The fuck. But this is America. No the fuck you do. So make Bigfoot put in. That's why I come live. Because I want Bigfoot run up in your box. Because she thinks she can run in every fucking argument. And you get set up whore. You know see you're idiot. You know see you're idiot. You know see you're idiot. You know see you're idiot, girl. You know, see a idiot girl? Okay, you think you're a bully. Bully who? No, they're not bully nobody over here, so. No black them man, tell them to come. Tell all of them to come, because she get the blame for that. Anybody them want to send, tell all of them to come. Because I go get the blame for it. Me want them to do everything because that's she. I go get the blame for everything. And this morning, make she continue to set up herself. Make she continue to set up herself. Make she continue to set up herself. You see the idiot girl know what them a do. None of people country. You see the idiot girl know what them a do. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about nobody. I give a fuck about myself. I don't give a fuck about who I got the fish fry from who not got the fish fry. Fuck them. Me care about my fucking self. Don't care about who the fuck care about you know. No fuck off and go away. Me call your name, you fucking answer. Me didn't call your name. What the fuck? Me didn't call your name. The day when me went up on my live, I talk about the date. You make them, you make people come up on your live, come tell you stupidness. You want to come run out on me. Where from you, sir? Yeah, Maria, make you keep talking. Cause Dyema I'll get blamed for what you do. Keep talking. No, keep it, man. Dirty bitch. No man, tell her if you come. Tell her if you come. You know so come man, come. The whole of you come. Cause she'll get the blame. The whole of you come. The whole lot of you come. Cause she'll get the blame. The whole lot and part of you come. Annie, what's up? East New York, honey. I don't live in East New York. If you want to say East New York, honey, you're good. Come at East New York, me there. Come. Dirty stupidness. Come. Yeah, she don't know so that's a threat. She don't know that. That's why I say make she come and she I go get the blame for it. She I go get the blame for everything. As she over on her live, I do right. As she over there instigate everything. So you continue, bitch. Are you over there on your live? I instigate everything. Remember my live pre-recorded, you know. So all of them people that were coming on my chat, me I carry go show.
As we say, my people, I don't talk much. So tell me what you think in the comment. Make watch someone then move on to the next. Cause we have Dyema also, you know. We have a bunch of things, my people. So this is even half fight. I don't know how me I go pack everything in this video, but we are going to do it.
Them. Remember my live recordings, I go save. So all I know are coming on my chat, I'm carrying it. I'm gonna show them. Say, are you send them for me live? Me I carry my iPad with me. So no stay there. This is a fucking America. Okay. So are you send them for me live? Are you a instigate it? Paula, dirty Dyema. So stay there. That's how me come. That's how me come live. Cause me want all of you to come over here and type. So me can show them where you send the people them to do. Where you instigate, you idiot girl. That's how me come live, bitch. Cause me want all of them to come in my chat and talk up the things them. So me can show them where you send the people them to instigate. No type already, so all of time I get blocked on a type already. So not type. So not type. What what's up?
Yo, what go on? Me just come for TikTok cause me so busy I do something. What go on?
Dirty Dyema. So no type, man. You not type. That's why me come live, cause me know all out no germs bucket, I will come in on me chat. I may tell them say, are you send them in on me chat? Are you send them?
Afraid of nobody.
Afraid of which body are you yet? Afraid of which
Or suck on a mother straight out.
Morning, sis.
Morning, what's up?
Liar, Christian, you don't go with it.
No, Peter Gay. Peter Gay, hold on there, Paula. Peter Gay, I want them to come in my chat because I am carrying my iPad today to show them exactly what she's doing. Yes, that's what me I go do. So me want to come in my chat. Me come fucking live so she can send everybody in my chat and she and Bigfoot. The Bigfoot one, whatever Belgium can sit on over there. You think so me don't know? Me set her up because me know she go enter the conversation and she go and run up her mouth where she know from where she don't know. So go on, me I see a long time me I wait for this a moment to get to know what me want to know. So you can take the fall for them. Dirty Dolly Diva go suck your mother and come off.
Liar can't come brother on him. Liar come bend and go up and lick up stroke. Liar celebrate liar. So the two brother them want piss up your mouth. I make them piss in your mouth. Liar come here. Come here, liar. So the two brother them want piss up your mouth and say, I'm pissing in your blood clot mouth. Liar kiss we ass. Liar grudge we. Liar eat with our looks. Liar we eat with her. Liar if you no shit you can't yam. Liar if you no shit you can't blood clot yam liar. Liar if you no shit you have a content liar. Liar do this and beat me. Liar do this. Turn on the camera. So good liar, turn on the camera. Nasty woman. Woman with the Down syndrome, man. Liar grudge with women them. To women them fabulous no blood liar grudge with them. Liar do this and be turn on the camera. Liar can't do you now go have no peace in you. Liar we go mad you. Liar we not stop winning mad you. Me see what screamer can they come call me bitch. Liar can't call me bitch. Me is a beautiful bitch, the blood clot. Me is a independent bitch. Liar move your soko loco blood clot and go and lego with shirt. Dirty liar. Liar leg up with shirt sleeve and New Balance pan it. Liar if you don't shit you can't blood clot nyam. Liar come creep up me Rosealee Tek and figure it out. And box we hit we out. Come have with dinner. Come have with liar. Come have with dinner. Pana piece blood clot. The liar. Come have with dinner. Liar. Come get up before we have with dinner. Pana piece blood clot there. And while you at it, liar get a blood clot straw liar. And go large. Go large liar. Yeah man liar. Yeah. Come kiss with pussy and box the jar, liar. Liar, I'm not shitting in your mouth. Liar, I'm not shitting in your blood clot mouth. Dirty woman, we not like you. Dirty toilet face woman. Woman do this and beat me. Woman live off America. Are you sad? Every day you get up and we in a blood clot box. Dirty liar, every day you get up and we in a box.
People, me not lie still, you know. TikTok liar kind of make TikTok festive in a way still, you know what I mean? And bring a little entertainment to a lot of people. Because you know, say, TikTok mostly, and you know, I'm not going to say mostly entertain. It bring down people a lot, but bringing down people entertain a lot of people. You understand? But some of them things where I go on TikTok and some of the things them what they must say, you know what I mean? Them feel mindful of people. You understand? Because at the end of the day, look at TikTok liar and have a presence like a image. You understand what people can say, yes, I know for sure say a TikTok liar. That not everybody. Maybe a few people can say, yeah, me know for sure say a TikTok liar this and Ray and can bring up dirt like how Shay bring up dirt upon her and bring her down in the wickedest way. But majority of the people them don't know if a really TikTok liar that are or somebody else. You know what I mean? So it's like she a fling stone and a hide her on them. You understand? So nobody can really pinpoint pan her or anything like that. So she kind of safe behind the screen. So that's why she gets so much trouble still in our people. Big woman thing.
Liar, look on my fake shoes, so I look good. Liar, cock up and do this and be. Liar, look on my fake shoes, liar. Liar, look on my sock, your mother, you look good. So good, liar, look on my sock, your mother, on my foot. So good, liar, look on my sock, your mother, on my foot, liar. Look on my sock, your mother, look good, liar. Dirty woman, me not like you. Ease way out. Dirty so good, woman, ease way out. Nastiness. Nastiness, you live America, are you sad? Nastiness, go fix your handicap, blood clot, husband, dirty germs. I don't want to talk some things because I don't want to get flagged. Nasty, dirty, liar. Starch looking bumble hole. You come in every day, get up in a back to the cuss Rosie, they cuss everybody. You come back on contact, but oh, you don't see this bitch. How will they call bitch dirty woman? Eh? Come here, drop bomb and I lick fire over here. Swagger.
Me wine and fire.
No, me a fight, me like crowd, come like fight and me the angry liar soon be back. No, me not feel like me taking me a cuss. Me so
TikTok liar.
yeah, me the rub out that don't take man. I
say what she said about me.
So glad, me so come and deal with it.
Alright, me have the bag. So when you come back.
Yeah. Me love so glad I'm brother pretty Nikki and my sister. But you know when me a creep up people, me like crowd. Me like gather them in a scandal bag. Yeah, dirty liar, I want to kick your head like a ball and back up you. Dirty liar. Dirty liar. Liar, come here with your head. Liar, what a head. Yeah. Okay, man, liar. That's what we want there. Dirty woman. Giant crow. Liar. Rubbish. Okay, mama girl. Someone deal with you. Shit house. Someone deal with you. Shit house. We tired of you, man. So we want to deal with you. Shit house. Yeah, man. Rubbish. And the bin. Shit house. Buckler, man. Shit house. Rubbish. Yeah, man, that's how we did the rubbish, them, man. Grab them by the head, man. Yeah? Piss in them mouth and let them go to the rubbish bin, man. Suck your mama, man. That's how we want to do it again. Hey, girl, leg out with shirt. Lift up off of my brother like pussy. I want to you. You liar. Every day, you no call. Every day, if you no shit, you can't name. Every day, liar do this and beat liar. Liar turn on your camera, liar. Thiefing liar. We walk and thief people money and foreign. Liar live in America and you're sad. Eh? You're sad, dirty woman. You live in foreign and you're sad. Every day you get up on people. Every day I see in a box I go talk about how much the brother this and hey dirty woman, no call me that name a blood clot. Don't call him in your mouth. Nasty shit pit liar. Liar you somebody. Liar, leave we alone. Rest blood clot with ugly woman. Ugly mug. Reptar. I don't want to talk some things because I don't want to get flagged. Dirty reptar. Start looking bumble hole. Shrek. Fiona. Rest with Fiona. Rest with. Let we go now, man. We don't see you. And every day get up our way. Eh? You live with name, living in your head, rent, blood clad, free, dirty woman. Dirty, nasty, careless liar. Liar come kiss me pussy and box the whole of the old jar them you saw. And yes, when you done alongside it, use your teeth and young and the great ear them for me blood clad front, dirty liar. And why you at it, liar? More you use me pussy tongue and play snake and the leather till me done work on TikTok and come back, nasty woman. I want to tell her some things, you know. I want to tell her some things, you know, girl. I show me the foreign, I'm going to enjoy life. Girl, I want to tell her some blood clot things, girl. You need to figure that me, Hakeem, Rosealee, and figure it out and have with for dinner. Come have with for blood clot dinner. And while your blood clot at it, get a big straw and go blood clot large with we. Drunk crow. Dark shit. You know, and a grand pit if you go look about. Go clean your house. Go look about your ugly husband. Go liar. Liar walk up on jurisprudence and get a make blood clot over. Liar with the ugly face and the good vice. Liar when ugly when I give you a front, you beat me no blood clot. Liar join the line twice, no blood clot. Star check looking bumbo hole. When you let go with shirt and leave with a blood clot, well, we not see a dirty woman. Woman, you know you can't. Woman, piss a bed liar. When you not go put your blood clot mattress in the sun of foreign. Piss a bed sun a shine you now before snow start fall. And go sun your blood clot bed. Liar and a grand picnic for look about. Eh? Liar make you not go wipe out on your husband balls. Cause the wall behind it black. You don't have nothing for blood clot though. Eh? Leg off of my blood clot friend them shirt and let we loose. Liar, we don't see you. Liar, not no secret for me, you don't call me bitch. Liar can't call me bitch. Me is a beautiful blood clot, independent pussy clot bitch. Yeah, man, me is a beautiful, independent blood clot bitch. Dirty liar, where you grudge with her? Liar, me have 44 and fabulous no blood clot. Next year, me have 40 blood clot 5. Liar, do this and beat me. Dirty woman. Wanna find fault at everybody where they can call me. Liar, you can't call me bitch. Eh? Shit in a bucket, you can't call me bitch. Shit in a blood clot pan, you can't call nobody bitch. Liar, look for you call people bitch, liar. Lie up to the people dog, them in the pen, them look better than blood clot, you liar. Lie that if the fish them in the sea no want to see you lie. Lie on the seaside hate you. Liar God hate you, Satan hate you, everybody blood clot hate you, liar.
So as I say people, I run through this quick and fast. So you are going to let me know what you're thinking in the comment section. We are going to watch some more people. Remember we have more to share with you.
Liar, move your senior citizen looking blood clot and go. You have a problem with everybody. Liar, you live a foreigner, you're sad. You're the only woman me still live a foreigner, sad and get up so. I've been just pass one stream because the dirty girl call me bitch. Liar, can't call me bitch. Liar, come get up a bitch and suck out a bitch. Liar, I'm that piss in your dirty mouth, liar. Liar, I'm that piss in your mouth and give you one big straw. You see me and see my period, liar, you get a box milk. And you cuddle them together, you get cherry man. And you just drink it drunk up and a stroopy. Blood clot there. Liar, go ahead. Liar, can't call nobody bitch. Nasty liar, can't call nobody bitch. Nasty, dirty, long time shit in a place in a citizen woman. We walk and thief a foreign. We don't live off a blood clot, poor leave benefits, all these things a foreign and go like on a portion. Liar on a portion to girl. On a portion to girl. On only stay behind scream and go like on a one talk down from blood clot people. Liar we you eat with her. True we are carry the blood clot swing. Liar now we make your car run in a foreign and come up like it. Liar run out. Liar come run out. Liar do this and beat me. Dirty liar do this and beat me. You can't open your front door America and run. Liar cannot open your front door America and run. Liar do this and beat me. 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 Liar make me left away and Jamaica can run. Liar do this and beat me. Liar running in your yard front, dirty woman. Running in your yard front, woman. You can't do nothing. Dirty woman, you can't come out to your house. You locked down in the blood clot chimney. Dirty woman, dirty Grinch on a Christmas yet. You can't steal with joy. I can go in back. And the problem was I'm terrible up here. I don't want the people to know I'm terrible up here. Eh? Dirty liar. I know dirty Grinch. I know Christmas yet. You can't try steal with joy. The Grinch only come up on Christmas and your time. Steal on the blood clot fire hole. True. Me say me not trouble the woman, you know. Every day the woman live pan blood clot me. Me say me just pass one screamer call. With the woman I call me bitch. I call me bitch. Me a big fat. Hey, me I run me age already. I'm not catch blood clot.
Yeah, girl.
My ears, you know, after them catch it.
Me see it. Me see it, madam. Me upset about him all of course. I can't me calm down now. Me calm down now. Because me I say, mother, Rosealee never act like she care. Don't Rosealee that act like she care when she dey on the call. Mother, Rosealee not offer Peter get money.
I said, push on the picture of $100.
Yeah, I know. Remember say Rosealee lock off live one night. How much hours we dey on the phone? We sleep on the phone the whole away.
I get up and I will make it something about you because it's all with give.
Where you say just no matter where you say.
My son will wake up and see me at the pan because it's minutes they can't hold my mother longer. I mean, I'm blood clot now. I'm come out and talk. It's all wicked.
I saw me feel, mother. Remember, we are not the people in the media. We can't study the people in the media. You know why? I never them the on the phone with Rosealee. So if them don't believe there's a Peter Gay, see them business that. But Rosealee was on the phone with Peter Gay, mother. Remember, say Rosealee see Peter Gay's car, you know.
That's nice.
When the media not the on phone with Peter Gay, Rosealee the on the phone with Peter Gay. She let's see true. I feel cut up about what she say.
She drop asleep on the phone.
She drop asleep.
When Peter get a taxi, I move.
Me not tell no lie, mother. You know why Rosealee do that, mother? Because liar shoot her up and and she was the whole media did beat with about the Japan situation. So Rosealee I said, she bring it up back. And I said, no, will never go, so she go win the war. And that Rosealee I do. Because she go around and see the comment section and the mix-up page them where the people in the comment section and say, can't wait to hear about the Jabba situation. And that Rosealee do. She go around and I read the comment them on the mix-up page them. So she do exactly what the people them a comment and I say under the mix-up page them. Yeah. Rosealee know what she do, mother. She don't have no heart because she just on the phone with we. Let me make it here recording. Let me see if I eat this.
You never read from day one, so good girl. You know, go for the grandfather, me have the episode. Me have remember good. You know, the fathers are fat tonight. We still have a liar, we still have a pan Peter get result. That's where we pan. That's how we are with pan. The same girl when they call me, one time result where you say your work pan.
You hear what Rosealee say? The child where you may call me. Me I wait for the result where you say your work. Let me listen back over what she say.
You never read from day one, so good girl. Me and I go for the days and fat, me have the episode. Me and I go to 5 days and fat nights from blood clot, yeah. Remember good. Me and I go to 5 days and fat nights. We still have a liar, we still have a pan Peter get result. What we are waiting pan. That's how we are waiting pan. The same girl when they call me, one time result, you say your work pan.
Which girl is shut up over call
You know, it confuse me now. Listen to her, mother. Listen to her, Rosealee say, listen.
You know, from day one, so good girl. Me and I go for the days and fat, me have the episode.
Shall we keep along? Shall we not force yourselves?
That, yeah. Remember good. Me and I go to 4 days and fat tonight. We still have a liar, we still have a pan.
Can we just come in and go call you? I'll come back.
That's where we pan. That's how we are with pan. The same girl when they call me, one time result where you say your work pan.
Report it. See page, eh? Go over there, go report that page right now. Then they live. Make a type in it. Make a see page name again. Make a go back. Make we go back. See page people. Catch your name quick and fast. Catch your name. Catch your name. Catch your name quick and fast. On a run, go look on the page over there and share it to that. Want to go over there? Share live to my backup page now. Share live to my backup page now. Go over there now. Go share live to my backup page now. So the girl in the red name ever bless, she over there cuss them and say, if you did have any life, you wouldn't.
Alright, some people, so Rosealee, you that say, one of Rosealee fan this, you see me, a different Rosealee name, you see it. Boy, my people, me not lie, still no Rosealee have some people who go hard for her still, you know, big woman thing in all GX, them done for her, you know. You know what me I say? But here I go on my people, me not chat too long, me just share the video them what you know, so let me know what you think.
On live from morning till night, I chat about Rose and I go look alive. So them mute her, cause she over there cuss them, so they mute her. And then them block her. Wanna share it to me? Alright. Let me turn the camera on. Alright. I'm gonna go on it now. I'm gonna go. And we are gonna watch it live from Yasso. And we are gonna deal with the badness right now. 223 people. We are gonna deal with the badness right now, because we not play with people, you know. Let me find it, the chat. Rich, nobody go over there yet, man. Wait no, man. No go over there yet, man. No go over there yet. Hold on. No go over there yet, moderator. Hold on. No, hold firm first. Hold firm. We're showing him Pinky and the Brain. What we do every night, try to take over the world. Right. A mission with the pan. Alright. Who said then hold on. Somebody said then share live to me. People, my backup phone a little slow. No, hold on. Give me a little time. Let me go up on the message and say me find the live and then share to me. Watch carelessness. Watch carelessness. Watch carelessness. No, sir. They say show me a friend and tell you who you are, and if you're ugly, say all of your friend ain't ugly. They say show me a friend and tell you who you are. If you're ugly, say all of your friend ain't ugly. The whole of your friend, Jesus Christ. I can't do wow, sister this. I can't do wow, sister this. I can't do wow, sister this. Take off the filter, take off.
Come here talk about my blood clot money. Sometimes I sit down and think about these blood clot things, the life of home and pressure and the things them. And them fucking in the eye side, the girl can't tell me nothing. In time I left here, so anytime you see me, Rosealee left here, so when me live, I live somewhere different. And my two people alone can do my blood clot. I just don't want a man here. Yeah. We don't even want a man blood clot. They don't want no man around me. My two people alone more around me. And a few friends. But don't even want a family around me neither. And all of my family are wicked with capital W. Them only running for what them can gain. Who want can beg this and who want come beg that, and that's them running for what them can beg. How when them say the truth, them not tell you it. You understand what me a blood clot say? Yeah.
My family are Judas. Me no want them around me. Them can't come on my yard. When me move, them can't come on my yard. Me done with them. Me done with them physically. I'm done with them mentally. Them can't come on my yard. You know, I remember, you know, when I sit down, I remember sometimes it just blood clot lick me out. I remember I just take my money and get some like a big pussy fuck out mouth girl. And them I laugh when them I get it. The hard working money when I sit down and walk on my body and chat for hours for. So I can eat something and drink something. I drop money, I take money, get some like a stinking blood clot girl. We can buy one underpants if I want it. Them something that lick me blood clot trip. Nothing but up same pick a work. Wait now, nothing to do with nothing. Some people not real to blood clot you, but you real to them. So when they positive your blood clot, when them see I talk to one boy, every minute them come, them want to know if you and boy are fuck, them want to know if you love boy, them want to know something. But them take your money and give blood clot, you never want to know. But them want to know everything, them want pussy clot, no. All of a sudden you want blood clot, know something about me and people. Yeah. Me with lady I talk about it, man. Me happy wife I talk about it. She got blood clot for go spend 2 weeks. And Chris carry one woman in her blood clot house. Fuck the woman thief half a million worth of jewelry. And I said that remind me of blood clot one man when me know. Have my money I get it.
Hey, the people them have it for say Rosealee can't left Jakes in my people. Some want to know how to think about it. You see it because he might the helper around the house who cook and do all of them something there. You know what I mean? So she can't left him. I don't feel like say Rosealee can't left Jakes because the thing that Rosealee I do online, you know, that a leffing thing, you know. You see me? Let me know what I think with people.
You're fucking on my eyesight, I can't see. I don't want a bitch tell me how to control myself. Nobody tell me to do nothing. Come out of my head, I don't want nobody in my head. Come out of my brain, I don't want nobody in my brain. I don't want nobody tell me nothing. I said, I move a man in Jakes cannot be there. Him done sign film him done sign film warrant already when him fucking on my eye. Sign it already. Me just there because me just not telling them my business. I got books and draw my blood clot money. I'm draw my blood clot money. My 35,000 miss I'm asking about my blood clot money. When I'm fucking do slam head at the blood clot when I say I talk you want to talk for blood clot people find out. Talk you want to talk for the people here. Send the kids them great. Talk you want to talk for people find out. People somebody want to hear you. We are doing 35 blood clot thousand. You know, cook 35,000 worth of food. You know, buy 35,000 worth of clothes. But my 30,000 missing. I'm out of money. It always 20 and 10 and 15 missing. Your clothes, you're still a blood clot. Come here, catch a blood clot, beat. You're still a blood clot, do it. Just the same. They still a do it. I'm just slow. You come here, either come here, forget rid of blood clot. You and them. I am mash me down in a blood clot like it's with your ego. And me can draw 100,000 to them by tomorrow. Me don't see that even 80 out tight. Me know what me spend. I mean, my money, I know for count it. I have a tired people don't do like me just smile to myself and watch her. They kill yourself, they kill one hand. They go left you to them, man. They and them go on. But left to them, you and them blood clot go on. You and them go on.
The respect what I have for my brother, bro. And that's why I don't come like rush out and listen a long time, you know. You see, respect what I have for my bigger brother, bro. Your dog beg me, dog say, Jay, you see how hard work for reach right or so. Don't spoil it. If I never my brother, man, me I tell you, I come live and I listen a long time, bro. And I reach my cup run over, you know, dog. My cup run over, bro. I swear to God, my cup run over. You see, respect what I have for that youth there. I now got this, you know. I just make them go and talk. And the first time it happened, you know, I come out, I get mad. My dog come end my life and the dog talk to me and the dog I said, Jay, we work too hard for reach right, so don't spoil it. The dog said, Jay, enough time they say things about me, brother. And I want this them, and I hold it. If me can't hold it, dog, I can't hold it too. And I say, alright, watch you know? I not done, I say nothing, man. I the respect I have for my bigger brother, bro. I not diss them. I show them people know that. I don't want me to do that. I don't know what's wrong. Chat me just tired of them, man. Tired of them bumbucks, fucking deal, no come and just knock. Shut. Life, me tell you, say me I enjoy this. Me not enjoy this at bumbuck, I know I wish I could have go back in time. I don't bother to none of this, bro. Shut, I don't want to forget that I'm a human being, you know. I'm a human, you know. You see me? I'm a human and I always tell people, I say, bro, I don't care. I want to see it. The bag of views and the bag of this and the bag of that, bro. In a nice as own thing. Someone want to kill up on yourself just to get famous. I couldn't feel like, you know what them feel like, star? When they're famous, I bet a rose, everybody I gonna love you. You're the star, you're the man. And them time they wanna get the most hating on a blood clot life. If you're not strong as suicide, you're not gonna do. I tell you, Bruk, and I can't please people. Just make some comment section go when me I play with Dyema. As me say something, you see from one person in a comment section say something bad, everybody else like one puppet power and string. Yes, that's true. I strongly agree. Him can't deal with her, so why I'm so aggressive? Them just want to see one person say it. Everybody start follow. I saw them people that stay chat. When they see one person do it, the whole of them start follow. Them easy for turn against a dog. I never see some set of people who switch up say yet. Them easy for turn against you. Chat me is not a man who talk, man, but it a drain everybody energy. So me I talk on behalf of me, Akeem, Rosealee and Dyema. It a drain all our energy, bro. We know how to love a series, love it, but the other people and we a group up and a bonfire pan with nothing at all. It a drain all our energy, dog. It a drain all our energy, bro. I can't reach a point where if I not come live, I'm glad. And I never said to stay. Reach a point where I keep not even one person in live button again. And he not come live for now, you know. He not go come live for now. We not see that back, we not see back Akeem till about next week. You see me? And if me not see him come live, you know.
Hey, my people, would I tell this youth if you hold him composure and allow the people and make them talk, because at the end of the day, they might get promotion from the negativity where the people them spread on the internet. You know what I mean? The best way to advertise are with negativity, because negativity spread faster more than good things. You see what I say? And sometimes you have to just hold your composure and just make people talk and don't make them, you know what I mean, dry you out. So let me know what I think the people.
Go on, me not go come live neither. Cause me a human being too. Me not bored and me not iron, bro. A blood run through my veins, dog. So if him not come live by next week, me not come live neither. I eat that for me too. Cause guess what? The him not coming live, and me everybody I go focus pan, and I me them I go text it pan. You see what I say? Me alone can't carry that burden there, bro. Me alone can't carry the burden there. Me I tell you the truth. Me alone, me can't carry the burden there. I mean, no disrespect to none of my fans them. I know I love each and every single one of my supporter them. I mean, no disrespect, but ladies, you know, if you understand, I am not a robot. I am a human. Blood run through my veins. You get what I say? Blood run through my veins. It's only so much what I can take if you don't understand what I say. If that man, I man will always tell me, say, bro, focus, stay positive, and him not there. But me I go do. And that man ever there to motivate me and say, bro, no give up. Make we do this thing here. Him not do it. So what me I go do? Me not nobody for tell me say, yo, he might tell me say him can't manage it because too much pressure, everybody down for him. You see me? What me if you do? Me can't do nothing either. All of my supporter them. I promise you no man, me there the day them when me can there. If a time come on see me disappear for a 2 day or 3 day. I don't want to no feel no way about it. Just understand that. All me ask you, girl.